Okay, now let us start with the numericals. The first numerical is a body when acted upon by a force of 10 kgf gets displaced by 0.5 meter. Calculate the work done by the force when the displacement is, there are three questions in this. The displacement is in the direction of the force at an angle 60 degree with the force and normal to the force. So these three questions what they have asked are nothing but the cases which we have discussed. In the direction of the force, we have discussed this case 1 at an angle 60 degree with the force. This I have explained you in expression of work, and normal to the force, this is case 3. So solution. So let us write the given things. What are given things here? Acted upon by a force 10 kgf. So force is equal to 10 kgf. Now we have to convert this in Newton. So it is 10 into acceleration due to gravity is 10. So it is 100 Newton. Compulsory it should be in Newton when they are asked, as you have to calculate everything in SI unit. The displacement is 0.5 meters. Calculate the work done by the force when the displacement is, first question. In the direction of the force means what? What is the angle theta? 0 degree. Why it is 0 degree? Because displacement is in the, this is the direction of the displacement, and the same direction is there is a force. So what is the angle between the direction of displacement and the force? 0. So therefore work done is equal to F into S into cos theta. So what is force here? 100 Newton. What is displacement? 0.5 into cos 0 degree. That is 100 into 0.5 into 1. That is 50 joules. Unit of work is joules. This is the first one. Second one, at an angle 60 degree with the direction of force means what? Theta is equal to 60 degree. Means here displacement is like this and the force of application is like this. So this angle theta is 60 degree. Okay, or other way. So work done is given by again formula F into S into cos theta. There is nothing but F is nothing but 100. They have given displacement is 0.5 into cos 60 degree. Correct? So now 100 into 0.5 is 50 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 2 and 50 if we cancel we get 25 joules. See, angle theta is 0 degree and angle theta is 60 degree.